The Atlantic Ocean and climate change, a troubling future. Waves crashing on a beautiful beach at sunset. Did you know the Atlantic Ocean might be turning into one of Earth's biggest trouble spots? Yes, it's not just about rising seas, it's about disappearing fish, dying coral, and coastal cities at risk. Let's uncover the truth before it's too late. The Atlantic Ocean, with 8.5 billion people. The Atlantic Ocean is one of the world's largest and most important bodies of water. It connects continents and supports millions of people. But global warming is changing everything. As temperatures rise, the ocean absorbs more heat. This has three major impacts: rising sea levels, more acidic water, and damaged marine life. The first two owners have something of the biography field. In fact, it is where they rush off and realize that they shouldn't be to take their cruise on the river. Let's start with sea levels. When glaciers and ice sheets melt, that water flows into the Atlantic. Add to this the fact that warmer water expands. The result? Higher sea levels. Think about places like Miami, New York, or small island nations. These areas are already experiencing flooding during storms and even sunny days. Now, imagine this getting worse every year. Asha, a farmer in West Africa. My farm is close to the sea. Every year, salt water comes into my fields. It's hard to grow crops now. Asha's story is just one example. Millions of people living near the Atlantic will face similar struggles. Scene 3. Ocean acidification killing marine life. Next, let's talk about ocean acidification. As we burn more fossil fuels, carbon dioxide gets trapped in the air. The ocean absorbs a lot of this CO2, but when it does, the water becomes more acidic. This is bad news for marine life. Corals, shellfish, and even some fish can't survive in acidic water. For example, the oysters you love to eat or the fish that millions depend on for food might disappear. Pedro, a fisherman in Brazil. I used to catch a lot of fish, and now the ocean is empty. We don't know how to survive. Read The Ocean Suffers. The people and industries that depend on it suffer too. To see me and floating and Mimi and impia monkeys? Finally, warming waters affect weather and ocean currents. The Atlantic Ocean has a system of currents that control weather patterns, like rain and storms. These currents are slowing because of global warming. This means, more extreme weather like hurricanes and droughts. Coastal regions will be hit the hardest. Seems to not be a cure for your pain. Now let's focus on solutions. What can we do? Use clean energy. Solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources reduce CO2 in the air. Reduce waste and pollution. Every small action, like using less plastic, helps the ocean. Big problems need big solutions, but they also need us to act. Calm ocean with a hopeful sunrise. The Atlantic Ocean is in trouble, but it's not too late. If we all take small steps and demand action from leaders, we can protect this vital part of our planet. Save the Atlantic. Save our future. Remember, every wave starts with a ripple. Be the ripple that creates change. Like, comment, and share this video if you care about the ocean. Subscribe for more ways to protect our planet.